Hi Piscean, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of November is going to be for you, and we'll cover everything about your life, health, wealth, your mental exercise, chakra, number, color, what you need to follow, and the advices of the cards and everything. So this month, it kind of looks like is a month of endings and beginnings, and that's why I see two tens in the center, and they are usually about endings, about things coming to an end. And when you look at this card, you'll see there is like the darkest hour of the night is gone and there is a new sun rising, and that's why I said endings and beginnings. And this month, thoughts are going to be very prevalent on your mind. Negativity or negative thoughts or your mind will keep trying to tell you that everything is stuck, nothing is moving, there are problems, there is struggle, everything, we are struggling for everything, there is a situation where nothing is moving, and that is why it is all bad and problematic. But your cards are saying that if you get through this month with positivity, if you are able to control those negative thoughts, if you not let those negative thoughts or the situations that are happening, if you not let them overpower you, because it is mostly going to be in the mind, and that's why I see so many swords. So if you don't let them overpower you, the end of the month is actually dreams coming true, and this is something that I kind of see here also. And that is why it is very important that it is a very important month in your journey. Okay, it is a very important month in your journey, because this month, the way you treat yourself, the way you deal with your mind, with your thoughts, is going to be deciding how your future is going to be unfolding. And by end of the month, I see a lot of illusions becoming clear. People or situations which are not worth and which should not be in part of your life are going to move away, and you're going to understand your true power, and you're going to understand who your true friends are, who are you truly, and what is your true strength. And that is why this month is full of challenges, but those challenges are mostly in the mind and in the thought, and you have all the power to actually go through this month. So let's just start with your health. For your health, two things that I see on your cards. One, I kind of see that there will be a lot of burden on the spine. So I see an issue with your back. Now when I see issue with your back, I also see this month issues with your eyes and head, and like headaches and sinus. These are two things which came very prominently to me, and when I'm speaking to you, I can still sense the headache. So this is going to be very prominent, and this is going to be prominent because this is triggered by stress, and because there are endings, there is burden, there is judgments, decisions that will come, things that will happen. You will end up burdening yourself with those thoughts. But the cards are saying that you don't have to do that. The problem will happen only if you are continuously thinking upon one thing and you're not focused upon the other things that you have, and you're continuously praying that why don't I have this, why isn't this working out, and the energies want to tell you that there is a lot more in your life. Focus on that, and that's the month for you, and that is why these problems will come in your health, and especially related to spine and head, because it's mostly triggered by thoughts. Also, if any of you has to undergo a surgery and has been postponing it, this is the month where if you have to undergo this, prepare yourself well. Know that post the surgery there will be certain limitations that you will have. There will be some time where you will probably be dependent upon others, or you will not be able to sleep well, but by end of it you will be able to realize what your true strength is. You will be able to realize who our true friends are, who are the people who will take care of you, and ultimately it is going to give you some kind of like a new birth. It is going to give you a newness. It is going to give you new life and new way to look at life. So you don't have to be scared or become negative about it, because it's like looks like it should happen now. So if there is anything that you've been postponing, please don't postpone it. Another thing for your emotional health, like I said, thoughts very important this month. So ensure that whenever a thought comes into your mind, start chanting something and start chanting it loudly so that you can hear yourself. And when you are listening to your own self, you cannot think. And that's the trick that you have to use this month to cut out the thoughts, because the only problem that I see this month is with your thoughts, with your mind. If we talk about wealth and money, there is not even a single pentacle card on your spread. There is only one, which is 5 of Pentacles. But then this card says that help will be available. Don't invest this month, don't put your money anywhere this month, and if at all money flow is not coming, don't get scared. You'll always have help around. You'll have to ask for help. So ask for help this month, and this probably is a learning part of your learning. If we talk about your relationships, I would tell you not to invest into relationship this month. Don't get into a new relationship. If you are into a relationship, don't take any decisions this month, okay? Because the announcements that you're going to make this month might not be the best announcements to have, okay? That's why don't make announcements this month. If you are into a relationship which was not working out, you probably will take a decision to walk out of it. And if you were undergoing some legal matter with regards to a relationship, the decision might come this month. But by the end of the month for relationships, you're going to get beyond illusions, and you are actually going to find out who the people are who should be in your life. And that's when you'll decide to actually move solo and then look for new people in your life. Or if you are into a relationship which is becoming burdening or stressful just because you're thinking a lot, because I don't see like a devil or anything which says that, you know, there is a cheating happening or something wrong happening. No, I see you taking too much burden of things and thoughts. There could be some announcements about, because judgment is at times about, you know, dead coming alive, or the angels connecting with people and kind of getting them to the other side. That is why there could be some endings also this month, but know that these are for your benefit. These are because they're meant to happen. These are because you're meant to learn. If we talk about baby birth, I would say this month is not the best month to do it, and if at all the pregnancy happens this month, ensure that you're keeping yourself positive. Soul path, soul growth, very important month for soul path and soul growth. So this month, don't keep running away from situations. Don't try to sort everything at the first glance you see it, and things are going to happen or move very, very fast this month, but by end of it you will see that you are actually moving towards what you wanted to move towards, and you'll see your dreams coming true. And this month is a very important month in your soul journey, because this month is going to tell you how to deal with your mind, and once you know how to deal with your mind and thoughts, it's very easy for you to connect with your guides, angels, God, whatever you believe in. It will be very easy for you, and that's the month for you. I think I missed the job and career. So in case of job and career, because I see some kind of endings happening, and I see new beginnings also happening. So looks like if you don't have a job, by third week of the month you should start seeing some improvement in that area. So start seeing something coming your way, the interviews getting aligned or things like that happening. And if you are already in a job, and if there is a thing on your mind that I might just lose my job, you might manifest that. But if at all you manifest that, know that it is happening because it is meant to happen in that certain day. You're meant to give yourself this time to actually improve yourself, to actually connect with your guides, angels, to actually connect and get control over your mind and get reality checked for a lot of people. So this month, ensure that you're not feeling sleepless, you're not continuously thinking, burdening yourself with whatever happens this month. This month basically wants to give you some time to heal yourself, heal your thought, heal your mind, and the help will always be available, but you'll have to take steps to do that. So that is why this month I don't want you to fight with anybody. I would not suggest you to burden anybody with why growth is not happening, because you'll be burdening yourself then. And don't look for any announcements, don't push for any announcements. And also, if you are thinking to leave a certain situation or certain company or a job, I would suggest that if you can continue with it for a while more, please do, because I kind of feel that the next job will take some time to come across, and then you might just start feeling stuck. So this is one thing that you need to take care of. For the chakra of the month, your chakra of the month this month is solar plexus. Solar plexus is located 2 fingers above the navel. The mantra is Ram. You can chant it anywhere. Please do this this month. It is very necessary for you. It's a chakra of emotions. It's a chakra of your willpower. It's a chakra of the balance, and that is why it's a chakra of fire. And there is a lot that is happening in your life this month, especially on the thought level, on the mind level, and that's why this chakra balance is going to help you big time. If we talk about your mental exercise of the month, it is beyond illusion. Beyond illusion basically is actually judgment card. So this is basically saying that you have to see beyond illusions. You have to know that whatever is happening right now is just an illusion that is created, to see if you are able to move beyond that or not. So the affirmation is going to be, I allow myself to move beyond every illusion. I know everything that is happening is the universe is working out for my benefit. It is working out to give me the best that I deserve, and everything is going to unfold beautifully for me. Keep affirming that, and like I said, keep chanting. If that means chanting the whole day, continue to do that. But keep chanting. Don't indulge yourself on thinking or creating stories in your head. Okay, one thing that you need to take care of this whole month, you don't have to run away from situations. You don't have to feel that you're stuck, everything, nothing is working. You can also do thank you exercise. I'll share the link. Otherwise, while going to sleep, if you feel sleeplessness while going to sleep, please listen to some meditations. A few I will share in the description box, and rest you can find on YouTube. But please do that, because this is one thing that I can mostly see, that this is like a bad dream which is going to get over, and when it gets over, you're going to be overwhelmed with happiness. You're going to be overwhelmed with the results that you will see, but you'll have to wake up and let this dream pass. And that is very important for this whole month, that know that it is a situation which is going to work out for your benefit and get you beyond illusions. When I saw angel cards for you this month, 3 angel cards kind of came out, and this is what will happen if you follow the guidance. So what is the guidance for you? I'll read them to you. This says this is 5 of Ariel. 5 of Ariel is basically 5 of Pentacles, and this says you need not go through your current challenges alone. Help is nearby. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. So basically, when you think negative, you create that negativity around you. You think that it is bad. You play a victim card. You think yourself to be a victim, and that is when the situations start getting worst. But this is saying the help will be available. You have to take help. You have to ask for help and not indulge into negative thinking. Another card that I saw is 8 of Gabriel. This is 8 of Wands card, and this says a great deal of activity, sudden and immediate results, important communications. So important communications, like I said, judgment is going to come your way, sudden results are going to come your way, but then this will actually help you move forward. And the star card in the end says a dream come true, believe in yourself, the end of a difficult situation. And this says that by this whole situation is over, if you are able to overcome your thoughts, you'll see your dreams coming true, and that's confirmed here also. So you'll see your dreams coming into reality. And another thing that I kind of feel is, because this is the first reading that I'm doing for the month, it feels like the changes are not happening only in your life. There's a change or a shift that is happening worldwide, and it is impacting you as well. So that is why it is important that you keep yourself calm. It is important that you know that there is light at the end of the tunnel, and you know that whatever this difficult situation is, you're going to come over that, and the dream will be fulfilled. The number of the month for you is going to be number 10 or number 1. Color of the month, any bright shades, but you can add whites also, but any bright shades. Keep brightness around you. And also like the video if you can. It helps videos become searchable. Share it with more and more people, because I think Pisceans really need this month. And subscribe the channel if you have not. If you want a personalized tarot reading, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that is in the description box, or through the comment section. I will share my number and we can take it forward from there. This month, please don't keep sitting at one place and thinking. Rather, you can actually surf the channels on YouTube, the positive ones. You can surf my channel. You can go through the playlist, and you'll find a lot of videos that will help you with positivity. So do that this month, and I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself and stay positive. Know that everything that is happening is going to bring your dreams into reality, and that is why you need to know that this is positive, this is not negative. All the best. Thank you so much.